Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we have exciting news that best $10,000 primary trade line is posting on people's credit file. That's right. It's coming. It's happening slowly but surely, ahead of schedule even. It's legit. We're going to talk about it. Tifosi Optics, check. Stop Struggling Now gear, check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. And as you can see, we're on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page. And we have excitement in the air because the trade line has been posting early to a couple of the credit bureaus. And it's been a big surprise because some people started reporting that it posted December 8th. We're going to talk about it, ladies and gentlemen. Haters, what you got? Here we go. All right. Nothing wrong with doubting something. But when it starts happening, don't try to still be a hater. All right. So I'm going to show you guys a few things. And before we get into it, here's the join button over here on the right-hand side. And here's where members can join the channel every month. And as a member, you get get messages under the community tab. And you get 1 or 2 videos a month. And I tried the first members only video last night, and due to human error, due to my fault, I did not click on members only in the back office of YouTube, in YouTube Studio. I forgot to hit the done button. So this whole time I thought there was a problem. I don't know if I can do a members only, but we're going to try it again on Saturday, and I'll find out if I can use StreamYard to run a members only video. But anyhow, the video has been uploaded that says members only. So if you haven't seen it, there was a ton of gems being dropped last night. It was off the charts. I mean, stocks that I never even heard of, but yet they're giving out 10% or higher dividends. They're under $10 a share. There's stocks about robotics. There's stocks about an airline in Norway that's only pennies on the dollar because of the pandemic. I mean, a whole bunch of gems were dropped. So if you missed it, make sure you download the Robinhood and Webull links. Get your free shares of stock. Until the 14th of the month, you get 2 free shares of stock. And if you deposit $100 or more within 30 days, they're going to give you 2 more free shares of stock. And you're off to the races. So anyhow, let's get into it because we have, well, let's just call it sponsors to deal with now. Not really sponsors, but if you call Stop Struggling Now a brand, it's sponsors. Teespring, because we have reached 10,000 subscribers, Teespring and YouTube have what they call a carousel. So I have started creating what's going to be on the carousel. And the first thing, and some of you might start noticing this carousel will pop up in the next 2 to 4 days, allegedly. It hasn't popped up yet. But you might notice you can buy this merch right here, is 100% available, no back order. So I'm only putting something up that is not on back order. On the website, there's a back order situation because due to the pandemic, you can't get certain t-shirts and sizes like 2XL, 3XL almost can't get anywhere. 2XL, 3XL hoodies almost cannot get anywhere if they're black and gray. So we have problems with that. But the Emerging Millionaire t-shirt in the house. And we have different colors as well. The green, the gray, the black, the blue. That's what's happening. And even thrown in some yoga pants. SSN leggings is what we're calling them. Yes, we're branded, ladies and gentlemen. And the sponsor, Tifosi Optics. Check. You can go over here. You don't think these glasses are all just ordinary, do you? You can create your own custom glasses. And right now, 25% off custom glasses. In fact, you can get them for $49.99 and you can make them your own. Just use the code UNIQUE, UNIQUE. You only have a few days left for this. And like I said, $49.95 for your own custom glasses. Let's get real. Now, without further ado, let's get into this. The $10,000 trade line has posted to Equifax for some people, to TransUnion for others, for TransUnion and Equifax for others. Nobody has reported it, reporting to Experian. Now, I want to point something out to you because there is a question. Let's see if it comes up. There is a question here, right here. This is on the open form under the best $10,000 primary trade line. You can see here where Felicia has said, mine only reported to TransUnion. Only. I'm not sure why. Should I call them, Eric, or maybe just wait a bit? Many of you may be thinking the same question. The credit bureaus are independent. Like I said, it wasn't supposed to post until December 10th through the 12th, and then it was changed to December 12th through the 19th, and now the company has the stance of when you sign up from now on, new signups, it's going to report 30 to 60 days later. But there's going to be a few surprises because that deadline of November 25th, as it turns out, really wasn't a deadline. They sent in everybody who signed up to a certain date. I don't know what that date was, but one person here says, right here, Mr. A-hole by nature, I signed up on the 2nd of this month, meaning December 2nd, and it has hit my credit as of today on all 3 credit bureaus. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. And so what I wanted to say was each credit bureau uploads the files differently. So that's why some people may have TransUnion, some people may have Equifax, some people may have all 3 like he has. But that's not something to be alarmed about. All you have to do, just wait another 5 to 10 days and it'll start hitting depending on how they upload. That means the credit bureaus, how they upload. They don't do it just like there's a batch sent over and they upload everybody all at once. It doesn't work like that. So don't worry, be patient. It's coming, it's happening, it's going down, ladies and gentlemen. And what else is coming down? I'm going to show you some other people who've said it has posted. Look at here, Urbanomics. He posted under the motivation video. For those who are contemplating adding the 10K primary AG Jewelers credit account, I'm here to announce that the line has already posted my Equifax account on the 8th. He says the 8th of November, but I'm pretty sure he meant December 8th because I had a couple of other people mention on December 8th that it posted on their Equifax or TransUnion. I can't remember which one. But I'm going to actually show you the messages that I received so you can see for yourself, so we can put to bed that all this was a hoax. Trey Short, trade line already posted on my Equifax report. On the other 2, have to wait on the other 2 bureaus to report. Exactly. There's no panic, ladies and gentlemen. It takes time. This is the first posting. Thousands of people signed up. This is how it has to work. Tidriel, mine posted today, meaning December 11th. I gained 19 points. His was on TransUnion. I did not see anything on Equifax. We'll have to check my Experian. Anyone else? This is on the new update on the $10,000 primary trade line video. And he posted on the new update again. Stop struggling now. Yes, drop my utilization from 84% to 45%. Great. But ladies and gentlemen, you want to make sure that you're under 29% for your debt utilization. That's where you want to be to start the snowball rolling. And then you want to go from 29% to get it under 9%. 9% or less helps you out better than being under 29%. All right? So let's see. What else? Stephen Hendricks. Good news, everyone. The trade line posted on my TransUnion and Equifax credit report. I'm just waiting for it to show up on Experian credit. This trade line definitely worked so far. This was December 11th also that I received this via email. He posted it up under important deadline for the $10,000 primary trade line. No hard inquiry. It's working, ladies and gentlemen. It's happening. All right. So now's the time. There'll be a link down below in the description to sign up for your $10,000 primary trade line. And it's going to post 30 to 60 days after you sign up. That is what the company has said now. Okay, there is no 25th deadline, nothing like that. It's whenever you sign up, it's going to post 30 to 60 days later. That's it. That's how they want to present it. All right? Now, another one. Update. I signed up on the 2nd of this month, and it has hit my credit as of today, which is what I already showed you. He came back in and said. So again, they put in everybody that actually signed up until they sent the files in, which is a bonus. All right? A huge bonus, ladies and gentlemen. I know some of you who missed the deadline said, man, I signed up on the 26th or the 28th, and I have to wait till January to have it post. Wrong. Surprise. We're dealing with A1 company. All right, somebody else sent me over something. And they showed me today, again, December 11th, here it shows, posted up, 0%, 10K trade line. It's showing, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know which report this is, but let's see. The $10,000 reported TransUnion and Equifax early on 12/8. Once again, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. It's going down. So if anybody has any questions, you can always hit me up at Eric@StopStrugglingnOw.com. And now, the bonus feature. Now, there's some other things that the company's going to do that's going to come out in about a month. I can't talk about that. But what I can talk about is there will be a company coming out called ssnlifestyle.com. That will be coming out over the next 45 days. There will be a pre-launch. There will be a founders club. There will be a way for you to make money. That's right. It's going to be referral marketing. It's going to be a little bit of network marketing is what I call it, but I really don't like network marketing. So I'm going to call it affiliate marketing, referral marketing, because it's not going to cost you anything to send people over and sign people up and receive commission. But if you want to make more commission, then of course you got to sign up into a program, right? Because now you're going to get paid on when somebody else signs somebody else up or sells trade lines, hint, or wants to be in the SSN lifestyle. Remember those boats, jets, real estate, vacation rentals? We're talking about making money. It's going to be huge, ladies and gentlemen, so stay tuned. SSN Lifestyle is coming. And this is how we're going to help the lower 50% on the wealth curve to become and move to be in the upper 50% of the wealth curve. I'm excited. So with all that said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. That's why if you can get your credit right, then you can borrow to create yourself an asset environment where now your credit can be used as an asset to buy other assets that produce income. That's the name of the game, ladies and gentlemen. If you're not going to buy real estate, then you got to buy stocks and bonds and get that dividend money coming in. If you're not going to buy that, then you better go to some other asset class like cryptocurrency. If you don't want to get into that, then you better go to another asset class. And you better say, okay, let me go get some physical gold and silver because they're about to back up the presses and make sure there's going to be some stimulus money coming from somewhere, whether it's $1 trillion or whether it's $2 trillion, nobody knows. But you can rest assured the top 10 percenters don't lose. And they're going to take free money if they can from the lower 50% to siphon off some more wealth. So what are we going to do? SSN Lifestyle. Government be damned. We ain't going to be stopped. All right. And the last jewel, if you listen this long, how about a $5,000 trade line or another $10,000 trade line or a $15,000 trade line? That's going to be part of the package in the lifestyle as well because it's all about gaining assets, ladies and gentlemen. So with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.